Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day, good evening, good night, good everything. I am Pink Poodle, and here are my pink poodles, Maisie the East End Poodle and West End Poodle, Priscilla. And there is my poodle, Dora, and Billy Bum Bum. And we are Pink Poodle too. And today I am bringing you an unboxing of one of my alternative boxes, which is from the Occultbox. If you're new to my channel, then hello, welcome. If you're a viewer of my channel regularly, you know how much I love this box, and the people that are behind it, I absolutely think they're wonderful people. So I love supporting them and buying the Occultbox every month. It is a box that's different. It isn't a beauty box. It has things that are just different, and I wanted to do different unboxings, alternative unboxings, because I kind of went down that route of beauty boxes, and I had like about 6 or 7 boxes, and in the end it just became like that. Looks like my mouth. Let me just check, sorry, it just looks like I've got something in my mouth. Sorry, it just looks like, it just becomes so much. Even now, it's the same thing all the time, over and over again, but in a different format. So this is the Occultbox, and you can get this like on a sort of subscription that rolls over from month to month, or you can get it off as a one-off boxes. It costs £25 and postage and packaging, and you just get some really thick, lovely items in it. I've got this this necklace that I love wearing from my Dark Moon box. I got that moon altar phase of the moon from one of the Dark Moon box. I got the moon candle from the moon box. What else did I get? Can you see on thing? What did I get? Last month was Halloween in the summer, and I got a glass with a skull that I drink out of all the time, and just all other things that I can't think of. I had a little pot there with little bats on. I got some sunglasses that say spooky on it, but that was last month. So this month is called Dark Magic. So here it is here. Open her up. And what was really nice, there was a little note at the top of it. I could just give you a little read. And it's like a little invoice, and it's handwritten. Hope you enjoy the box. So there's a little like sugars in my dress. So like, which is really kind of them, and I really like that. So I'll just show you how to get out of the box. First of all, we've got like a pentacle sticker you can stick on your whatever you want to stick it on. So we've got that. I can put them here. Then we've got these really nice wax melts, which are called from the Witch's Cauldron, and they smell really nice. They smell kind of vanilla-y, yet I'm not sure what the scent is, to be fair. It's vanilla-y. Yeah, it's vanilla-y, and it's really nice. So there's them. And I like this Majick Beetlejuice. And then we've got a spell jar ritual here, and this has got all what you could need for the spell. You've got your little bottle you put it in. It's got a little raven or a crow on it. It's got some rose petals, some unicorn salt, lavender, bay leaf, and it tells you what you have to do for the spell. So there's that, which I'm really stoked about. This is my favourite box to date. This is my favourite box to date, and when I opened it yesterday, I got in touch with them and told them so too. And then we've got everything's individually wrapped. It's so cute. And in here we have a piece of paper that says crystal pendulum and board. So we've got a board here, and in this little Crowy Raven bag is a pink crystal. Of course, they gave me a pink crystal, and the idea is you hold it over the crystal and you ask it questions, and it will then swing about and do what it to answer your questions. So that's pretty good. I had a go at that yesterday to see if my mum was about, and that, so that was like quite cool. I don't know. Whether it's in my head, I don't know, but it kind of like makes me feel like I'm got some answers to some of the questions that I need answering. And then we have a little sticker thing that says, "We hope you enjoy your order. Thank you for shopping with us." A little thank you. There's moon now. It's like, because it's all personal, because they do it themselves. There's a lovely like a tarot card type thing, which is really nice. I like this. It's quite a nice sort of like print on a thing. Then we have this in here, and Paul's took a shine to this. He really likes this print, and this is from the Ghost Family Haunts, and he likes it. He said this would be a good tattoo. So yeah, and then it says here about the Ghost Family Flame. Thank you for ordering. Oh, it's the wax melts, that's where they're from. So yeah, I should look into and see what other ones they do in there. So these are the people that the wax melts are from. So and then we've got a magnet that says as above, as below. And then we've got some very posh, in like with a little, it's got a little, don't know what this is, like a little moonstone type thing. Oh, that says, I think that's, oh, what's that the symbol for? That's a symbol of fire or something, or is it air? No, not air, it wouldn't be air, would it? I think that's a fire, it's a symbol for something. And then I've got some like moons and stars on, and some really nice joss sticks. They smell really lovely actually. So I'm really fussy about smelling joss sticks, but these are really nice, and they come in a really nice case, really like well presented, like posh ones. And then we've got a little book of shadows, and this is like been hand printed by the feel of it. So this is like if you have a dream, or you want to mark something down that's to do with like you want to like the magics and stuff. The other day, for some reason, if anybody's got any clue what this could mean, I don't remember going downstairs. The next minute I know I'm standing at the kitchen counter chopping up garlic with a garlic press at half past 12 at night with this garlic. Don't ask me how I got there, I don't know, but so anybody has any ideas what that could possibly mean? I know that me and Matt's looked into it for me and got a few ideas from it, but just not realising I was doing it. Do you know what I mean? I was in a bit of a, like, I was kind of like in a trance while I was doing it, and then I woke up and I was like, oh God, what am I doing? So yeah, so I'll do just a thing. So we've got a little bit of shadows, some nice incense, a magnet. We've got a nice print, which is not there. Inside out, and then we've got this really other like I don't know if this is magnet or whether this is like it's probably called galvanised, I don't know, but it's really nice. It'll be at the back soon anyway, hanging up. and we got also the little pendulum with the crystal, and we got the spell, the wax melt. Ooh. So much for me holding like that, and the pentacle. So that was my occult box for July 2000 and is it 2020, isn't it? I can't remember what that is. So that was that. So I'm really pleased with that. I do understand if some people don't want to be subscribed to my channel anymore because I'm not strictly doing beauty, but then I'm still doing my makeup looks as well, so you know, it's not strictly just and also next month I've got another alternative subscription box coming, so I'm looking forward to that too. So next month's subscription box, the occult box, is called Spooky Self-Care, so that's going to be interesting. I hope, well I know it will be, and it'll be well thought out as well. So you can see a bit of my boobies today, so I do apologise. Don't normally get to see my cleavage, do you? Sorry about that. So this is my new top, which I have got in a little haul video coming up, but this is from Killstar, and it's, anybody knows He-Man's Evil Lynn, and it says I'm the cat person, and I got it really big, and it's more like a little dress, so I've got a pair of shorts underneath so I can poodle about the house with it. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on the unboxing of Occult Box July 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a paws up, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sitting through my unboxing. And if you like to stay subscribed, or if you're new subscribed, that would be fantastic. I wish I could get some more subscribers, because then, you know, it'd be really nice to hit, like, I would like to hit 1500. I'd be so happy if I hit 1500. Beyond that, I don't think I'd ever get beyond that, but it would be nice. But thank you so much, and I hope you come and join me in the next video on Pink Poodle 2. And always remember, it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Please keep safe and well. Until next time, take care everybody.